All right, hello geometry classes. Okay, so this is really for the D block class because I'm going to be out on Friday. So these are going to be your directions, kind of your introduction to the Tin Man project that we're going to end the school year with. So your guys' task, ultimately, is you're going to make a Tin Man. This Tin Man has seen better days, but you're going to make a Tin Man out of cardboard and aluminum foil. You are not going to do the aluminum foil part until next week when I am back in the classroom. Your guys' concentration right now is just to make the Tin Man, or to make the body of the Tin Man, out of cardboard. So let's walk around here really quick here. Hi. So we're going to take a walk to the other side of the room. Here, on the floor, behind me, on the back of the room, underneath the window, you will see a bunch of scrap cardboard. I'm also going to add to that pile of cardboard all the cardboard that you guys brought over the past few weeks so that you guys can make your Tin Man. Okay. Likewise, I have some leftover cardboard here as well, and you guys can use all of this cardboard to make your Tin Man. Okay. I will have all of the regular supplies, so you will have the tape, scissors, compasses, rulers, scissors, all of that fun stuff that you guys need in order to assemble your Tin Man. Here in the front of the classroom, underneath the screen, this is all of the stuff that the A block class has made. It is labeled, it has their name on it. You cannot use any of these materials. These belong to the A block class. Do not touch any of these things. I will know if you guys have. All right, this is off limits, but you're welcome to use anything from the back of the classroom. Okay, all of the stuff from the back of the classroom. All right, so your job, you're going to get this handout. This will be given to you guys today during class. Come here. Here we go. You're going to get this sheet of paper. Okay, your job is you need to make a head, a cone-shaped hat, more about that in a second, a body, 2 arms, and 2 legs. And your job is to just create them for right now, and then start calculating the surface area for each one of those objects. Okay, you're then going to total them up, and we'll do part of this next week. You're going to total up all of that surface area, and I'm going to give you a length of aluminum foil, and you're going to have to cut it, and then wrap your Tin Man, your cardboard Tin Man body with the aluminum foil to end up with your final product Tin Man. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So you guys are going to work in partners. I will let you pick your partners. You are either working with partners or you're working by yourself. Please be aware there's not enough cardboard to go around for everybody to work by themselves, so you must work with a partner. If we have an odd man out, I want like 1 person working by themselves if they choose to work by themselves. Everybody else work with partners. I will put up a video that goes along with this video, so if you guys look this up on myBackpack for the Tin Man project, you'll see this video, a link for this video, and then you'll see a link for a video on how to make a paper cone. This is the one object you guys don't have. So you'll have to make paper cones. All of your Tin Men will have paper cones to go on top of their heads. The heads, last year I had the classes use spherical heads. You are not going to use a sphere for a head. I have 1 student that's using a sphere for a head. No one else gets to use it. I only had 1 sphere. Spheres are very, very hard to work with for this particular project, so I advise against you guys using spheres for the heads. You make some sort of a prism if we don't have enough content or enough objects in the back. I do want to talk about that really quick. There's not enough cardboard for you guys to just grab stuff and then just assemble your Tin Man. You are going to have to fabricate some stuff. You will have to make a paper cone. Directions in the video on how to do this. I will put up a video on how to make a paper cylinder as well. So a paper cylinder, let me make one really quick here. Ta-da! A paper cylinder. See, it's got a circle on the end. Paper cylinder. Okay, you can make paper cylinders. Okay, it's really just a rolled up sheet of paper. A cylinder is really just a rectangle that's been rolled up. The 2 dimensions that are going to make up your cylinder, this top edge of the cylinder is actually the same as the circumference of a circle. You can look that up online. Okay, so that your circumference of your circle is going to be the same as the width of your sheet of paper, or the width of the rectangle that you end up making it out of. Okay. You can also make other prisms. You can make rectangular prisms. Let me grab one here. Do I have one really quick? Nope, I don't see one here. You can make rectangular prisms. You can make triangular prisms. There is raw cardboard in the back. You guys can take the cardboard that's just a sheet of cardboard. You can fold that up and make whatever you guys need to, whatever shapes you would like. It must be 3-dimensional, no flat shapes, so you can't just take a flat piece of cardboard and call that your body or anything like that. You actually have to turn it into some sort of a prism, so it needs to be a cylinder, or it needs to be a rectangular prism of some sort. It needs to have 3-dimensional volume to it. Okay, so your goal for today's class is to make the cardboard part of your Tin Man and then start calculating your surface areas. Okay. After you've completed that part, next week we'll get aluminum foil out and we'll start putting aluminum foil on the bodies. All right. Have fun with this project. Work well with your team. Do not steal stuff from the other class. Put your name on everything that you build. That way you can identify it next week. Just leave all of your Tin Man stuff. Leave it in the back of the classroom. Okay, underneath the window. Leave it in the back of the classroom with your name on it. It'll be safe there over the weekend, and we'll pick it back up next week. Monday's Memorial Day, so we will not have class. So I will see you guys next Wednesday. All right. Enjoy your weekend.